आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे पार्ट 4 ऑफ एनिमल कोऑर्डिनेट्स एमसीक्यूज। सो कीप वाचिंग दिस वीडियो टिल इन फॉर बेटर प्रिपरेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 71, विच बर्ड suck nectar from the flowers? Red crested bulbul, sunbird, myna, pirate. So correct answer is option 2. Sunbird has long pointed beak. It can suck nectar of flowers. Question number 72, which is the best definition of birds? They are cold-blooded animals, they are gliding animals, they are feathered bipedal, they are feathered quadrupeds. So correct answer is option 3. Birds have feather which help in flight and they show bipedal locomotion. Question number 73, which is not found in birds? Pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle, hind limbs, forelimbs. So correct answer is option 4. Forelimbs is not found in birds because forelimbs is modified into wings in case of birds. Question number 74, birds fly from place to place. This movement is termed as cursorial, sensorial, digitigrade, volant. So correct answer is option 4. Volant is an adaptation for flight or flying movement. Question number 75, an animal having ventrally placed four-chambered heart, nucleated red blood cells which are without teeth and belongs to class Mammalia, Aves, Reptilia, amphibians. So correct answer is option 2. Class Aves have birds which have four-chambered heart, nucleated red blood cells, and their mouth is without teeth. Question number 76. The character found only in birds is toothless beak, bipedal locomotion, wings, feathers. So correct answer is option 4. Feathers are found only in birds. Question number 77. What is the zoological name of Indian peacock? The national bird is Passer domesticus, Pavo cristatus, Columba livia, Psittacula eupetra. So correct answer is option 2. Pavo cristatus. Cristatus is the zoological name of peacock, which is the national bird of India. Question number 78. Birds have one right aortic arch, one left aortic arch, one poorly developed and other fully developed. Both are fully developed. So correct answer is option 1. Birds have only right aortic arch. Question number 79. The study of habit, habitat, migration, etc. of birds is known as herpetology, ichthyology, ornithology, ethology. So correct answer is option 3. Ornithology is the study of birds and their habitat as well as migration. Question number 80. In birds, sound is produced by syrinx. So correct answer is option 2. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 81. Which of the following character represents the flight adaptation of birds? Bones are pneumatic. Sternum has keel for attachment of flight muscles. Forelimbs are modified into wings. All of the above. So correct answer is option 4. Bones are pneumatic as well as sternum has keel and forelimbs are modified into wings. These are the three adaptations for flight in birds. Question number 82. Which of the following has no teeth in its mouth? Tortoise, crocodile, Hemidactylus, Draco. So correct answer is option 1. Tortoise and turtles have no teeth in its mouth. Question number 83. Which of the following group of animals have monocondylar skull? Amphibian and mammals, reptilia and mammals, aves and mammals, reptilia and aves. So correct answer is option 4. Aves and reptilia have monocondylar skull, means they have only one occipital condyle, while amphibians and mammals they are dicondylic, means they have two occipital condyle. Question number 84. Which of the following is an example of flightless birds which belongs to Ratiti, Struthio, Kiwi, Rhea, all of the above. So correct answer is option 4, kiwi, Rhea americana and Struthio. They all are flightless birds. Question number 85. Uropygial glands occur in reptile, birds, amphibians, mammals. So correct answer is option 2. Uropygial gland occurs in birds. It is also known as preen glands or oil glands. Question number 86. Besides feathers, birds can have hair, subcutaneous fat layer, enucleated red blood cells, diaphragm. So correct answer is option 2. Besides feather, birds can also have subcutaneous fat layer that is present under their skin. Question number 87. The flightless birds रिया, kiwi and emus respectively belongs to which countries? तो रिया जो है वो साउथ अमेरिका में पाया जाता है, इसी तरह जो कीवी है ये न्यूजीलैंड के अंदर होता है और इमू जो है या इमस ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अंदर प्रेजेंट है। तो करेक्ट आंसर जो है वो होगा ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 88. आर्क्योप्टेरिक्स शोज द कैरेक्टर्स ऑफ रिप्टाइल्स एंड बर्ड्स। तो यही करेक्ट आंसर है। आर्क्योप्टेरिक्स की जो है लॉन्ग टेल होती है और जो है उसके अंदर माउथ के अंदर जो है वो जास होती हैं विद टीथ। दे आर द कैरेक्टर्स लाइक रिप्टाइल्स एंड दे हैव लॉन्ग बीक लाइक बर्ड्स। Question number 89. Which of the following is a characteristic feature of birds? Four-chambered heart, pneumatic bones, hollow nerve cord, large eyes. So correct answer is option 2. Birds have pneumatic bones which are hollow and large bones which help in flight. Question number 90. Cloaca of birds is divided into how many chambers? 1, 3, 2, many. So correct answer is option 2. Cloaca of birds is divided into coprodium and proctodium and urodium. There are 3 chambers. Question number 91. Which of the following character is not related to the aves? They show homeothermy and presence of oil glands in the skin. Option 2. Female genital organs of both sides are functional. Option 3. Female genital organs of one side is functional. Option 4. Exoskeleton of feathers. So correct answer is option 2. बर्ड्स के अंदर जो है वो जेनिटल ऑर्गन सिर्फ एक साइड के जो है फंक्शनल होते हैं, उनमें एक ही ओवरी लेफ्ट ओवरी एंड लेफ्ट ओविडक्ट जो है वो क्या होती है, फंक्शनल होती है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 92. Which of the following part of brain is likely to be best developed in a bird for its aerial mode of life? तो बर्ड्स के अंदर कौन सा जो है पार्ट वेल डेवलप्ड होता है? सेरिब्रम, सेरिबलम, मेडुला ऑब्लंगेटा, कार्पोरा क्वाड्रिजेमिना. So correct answer is option 2. Birds have well developed cerebellum which involves in coordination of flight muscles during skeletal muscles during flight. Question number 93. Large and well-developed sternum with keel in a bird suggest their inability to flight, fast-running adaptation, strong flight ability, or fast swimming adaptation. So correct answer is option 3. Large and well-developed keel with sternum shows the strong flight ability in case of birds. Question number 94. Ostrich belongs to which superorder? Neognathi, Archaeornithes, or Paleognathi, Stothioniform. So correct answer is option 3. Ostrich belongs to superorder Paleognathi. Question number 95. Birds differ from the reptiles in which of the following character? Skin has scales, they lay eggs, they are vertebrates, there is regulation of body temperature. So correct answer is option 4. Birds are endotherm, means they can maintain their body temperature by their own, while the reptiles are dependent on the outside environment, being cold-blooded. Question number 96. Which one of the following characteristic is applicable for birds? Absence of urinary bladder, presence of dicondylus suckle, ribs without uncinate process, all of the above. So correct answer is option 1. Birds have no urinary bladder, so there is absence of urinary bladder. Question number 97. Find out the Australian flightless birds: rhea, ostrich, kiwi, emu. So correct answer is option 4. Emu or emus is a Australian flightless birds. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने एनिमल कोऑर्डिनेट सीरीज़ की पिछली वीडियोस नहीं देखी तो वो वीडियोस भी देख लें, उनका लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 98, feathers of birds are modified: epidermal scales, bony scales, plates, scutes. So correct answer is option 1. Feathers of birds are modified epidermal scales. Question number 99. The state bird of Rajasthan is Pavo cristatus, Columba livia, or Cryotis nigriceps, Passer domesticus. So correct answer is option 3. The state bird of Rajasthan is Coriotis nigriceps, which is also known as Great Indian Bustard. Question number 100. The primary function of feathers in birds is to provide a ridged surface for flying, form a waterproof covering over the body, help in sexual attraction, or prevent loss of heat from the body for thermoregulation. So correct answer is option 4. Primary function of feathers in birds is to prevent the loss of heat from the body for thermoregulation.